Alright guys, it is mid-November and I think it's November 12th to be specific, and it is really windy out here and we're hunting ducks on like a bigger, like a lake, so that's, yeah, it's pretty much a bigger lake, and it's really wavy. I don't even know if the birds are gonna fly, but we'll see once it gets to shooting light. I'm pretty sure like it's gusting up to like
20 to 30.
Yeah, like, what did you say?
20 to 30.
Yeah, 20 to 30 and like gusts to 40. So we'll get set, we're all done setting up, so we're just laying here out of the wind. And we'll get back in with you guys when it's shooting light, and hopefully that we will get some birds flying and get them in the decoys and put them in the water. So see you guys during shooting light. They're coming.
Are they?
Yeah. He's down. They can't fly up there. They can't fly up there. Fly right back over. Hey, be ready for him to fly right back over. There's one that went down back in here. There's one that went down back in here. Hey, right there. There's one right there. Hey, right there. There's one right there. You shot two? Which ones? You shot two? Which ones? Here, should I go try to get this one? Here, should I go try to...
Well, it went down in the grass and went clear back into the right. Where was that shot at?
I shot my gun, slid out of my hands.
Dylan, from where we are right now, Dylan, look at me. Okay. I shot my first two I killed. I mean, they went straight up.
Well, they were not on my side. They were not on my side, and after I shot, my gun fucking slid right on my gun.
That was bad shooting. I hit 2 for 2. I didn't even, oh wait, right here. You're ready. They're coming our way. Yeah, I think so. Are they coming our way or going away? Yeah, they're straight out. They'll come back around. Those are teal. Where? Yeah. We got 4. They're all dead. What? We got 4 dead ones.
Job better there. Hey, you might want to...
I will here in a second. Drew, get the ones that are out farther. Pete, go get it. Send Pete.
Hey, there's 2 of them right out there.
I know. We should have 4. Drew, you got a decoy on you. To me, towards me, Dylan. Towards me.
Alright, let's go. Stay. Stay. Remington! I said stay! Get up there!
Good shooting. Where's my first one go? I've never shot one in my entire life. Here. Is it in good shape?
No.
Yes, it is.
Hey, we all shot the same.
I know, but I didn't.
I shot at him.
Let me see.
I didn't shoot the head once.
We're gonna mount it.
Yes, we are. Look at that.
We're gonna mount it.
Sit on me.
That's my favorite type of duck.
I've never seen one in real life.
Yes.
Good girl, Pete. That's a good girl.
I know. Good job. I just want to make sure that none of the dogs mess with it.
Should I just put it in my bucket or?
No, I wanted to.
The beak's ugly, but it's cool.
We're gonna get it mounted.
You're one, right?
Dylan is.
You are.
I am.
That's good. Go.
This isn't a great day to like follow people and get them a decoy and stuff like that. It's just a day that they're like, you gotta get the fuck out of the sun. Here, don't just walk out of that car. Just leave it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just leave it.
He's a pretty big one too. The ones I've seen pictures of, I've been a lot skinnier.
It's pretty.
How does he get the blood out of the feathers?
They wash them with kerosene, I think, and dish soap.
That's so much patience.
Well, like, won't be on the waterfowler this year. That'll be a merganser and
Stay, Remy, stay. Shit, shots. He's got the other one.
Hit him.
I got 2 drinks. Dad, there's a good drink spoony in there. I got it. I got a good drink.
Recording?
Yeah. Oh no, we got another one.
I see him on the left.
Yeah.
Can you get out there?
I'll try. I'm not gonna take my gun. Oh, I'm having problems ejecting my gun, so. As you can see, it's pretty rough out here, but I just shot that Drake's booty. That was pretty cool. Got 3 out of that group. The decoys are putting a move on us. Real good.
If she comes back, she probably deserves to get smoked.
Dang.
It's gonna come here. Well, that's interesting.
Alright guys, well, we had just finished up the day and we just got back home, and for some reason the GoPro was not working when I did my outro and right when we got done hunting. So we're back home and I'll show you kind of what we got. Got a bunch of teal, nice looking teal. All that one's beat up more. We got a nice looking hooded merganser and a couple shovelers. So it was overall a pretty successful day, but other than moving decoys every single like 20 minutes or 10 to 20 minutes, just because of the wind was so harsh and the waves were so bad from the wind. It was blowing out there, so we were having to move the decoys a ton, and that just made it like, I mean, it didn't make it not fun, but it was definitely a lot harder and a lot harder of a hunt. But that's what keeps you hunting. But I hope you guys liked the video, and please leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.